we cover 2- and 4-cycle engine theory. We relate that to outdoor power equipment, everything from chainsaws, lawnmowers, lawn tractors, zero-turn mowers, and then we incorporate in the motorcycle and the ATV side of that as well.
I grew up riding dirt bikes, always loved motors. Learned how to rip apart a motor, can put it back together. Anything you want us to do with your motor, we can do it.
My students are involved in the summer internship program.
Since being in this program over the summer, I did get an internship for a landscaping company. I helped them work on their mowers, service them.
The best thing I like to do in power equipment is learn with new people to work, and I like to get hands-on work, and I like to ride equipment.
The students, of course, earn an OSHA safety certification. They have a Briggs & Stratton certification, a Honda certification, and EETC. We include both the 2- and 4-cycle engine certifications. Skills USA, I believe, is a phenomenal organization that we've had very good success with. My students have won paid-for scholarships to career technical schools, along with tools, Harley-Davidson luggage, gift cards, and MCCC has received Harley-Davidsons from the competitions. We use the Harley-Davidsons in our shop as training aids, and the students disassemble them, put them back together.
After I graduate, I plan to go right into the workforce, full on, want to make money. Our instructor will help you find jobs as soon as you get into this class, and he wants you working by the time you leave.